Hey everybody, I wanted to make a quick video about the Local Motors and Airbus drone cargo challenge. I'm over here at beautiful Arts Center in Pasadena, and I'm at the lawn just doing a quick sketch of a concept I have for the cargo drone competition. I'll just show you a quick drone that I made last year called the Skybot, which is right here. It's a 3D printed drone that I had made last year while I was working at the Boys and Girls Club of America. Yeah, it could be a good cargo drone with a little basket and the quad. When it flies, it kind of looks like a UFO. But I'm going to show you right beneath me, there's my notebook, the new K1 cargo drone concept that I'm going to submit next week. So just to give you a quick preview before we do any 3D rendering or you know, some engineering concepts of how the drone will fly in an animated video. So, and I'll give you a full explanation why it's designed the way it's designed, and also the functionality of the drone in the way it's shaped. And then after this video, I'll treat you guys, if you promise to behave. Over at the Arts Center, we have a little show and tell of, you know, futuristic cars. So I'll do that right after this video. All right, bear with me. So this is the K1 cargo drone by Austin Motors, and I am Austin Kelly. So I'm going to be showing you a quick sketch of what a cargo drone meeting the requirements of the Airbus challenge and the Local Motors team, this could be done. And I like to say this is a very Lindbergh approach of making a fast and effective, quick, simple, functional cargo drone. So here it is, the K1 cargo drone. All right. So this is just a quick sketch I did in about 10 minutes, but it really brings the concept of the cargo drone. So what I have here, very similar to my, sorry, piece of wood, Skybot, is basically we're gonna run with a simple quad platform. All the quad platform's gonna do is just generate vertical lift going up like that, carrying the medical supplies that we'll be running and testing with the Local Motors team. So the frame is actually, I was inspired by a project that NASA had done and just released a couple of years ago, but it's a very similar frame to it. So it has kind of looks like the Millennium Falcon, but basically it is just a quad platform. What we have here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this will fly. This will generate lift. I'm not worried about that. But basically what we're trying to accomplish is having a cargo drone that is very fast and that is maneuverable, that acts very similar to an airplane. So why I called this earlier a Lindbergh approach, if you know your history a little bit, Lindbergh crossed the Atlantic from St. Louis all the way, well, New York all the way to Paris, and he did it with all one engine. So this is the Lindbergh approach of the K1 cargo drone. So basically, all we're going to do is run one very powerful motor to act as, you know, like an airplane, and then to make a vertical lift, we'll just run a quad platform. So very similar shape to what a project NASA had done. So they go down below. It's going to look kind of like this when you look at it. These are just legs so when it lands, it lands smoothly with the medical supplies. What this isn't a window for any passengers. All this is a battery case. So just like this, I actually super glued it, but just like there's a cap here, this is going to be a cap as well. And then right here and right here, it's just the quad fans that are going to generate the lift. And these are holes, so these will go down to propel some lift and carry the supplies. And so I kind of have a rough idea of the engineering and the functionality. It is very simple, just the let you guys know, it's a very simple, quick, functional cargo drone. It's nothing complex, and it shouldn't be complex. Just for functionality, it should be really simple. And so what I have here is just basically an explanation of what I just showed you back there. Like I said, battery case, quad platform, center body, outer wing, the legs right here, and this is right here just to explain, just the have a very similar function to an airplane. We're gonna attach these sorry, I can't speak today, these back wings, but it is a concept, but we want to make it a functional concept. And so my theory is, you know, when we built the Skybot, I honestly didn't think it was going to fly, but I after, you know, working with drones for about a year and building huge drones at your local hobby store, I have a sensitive idea of what's going to happen when we complete this project, and that is when we fly these drones, it is going to generate some vertical lift that goes something like this, and then when it flies, I'm sorry, let me get up front. When it flies, it's going to tilt like that because the propeller and where my pinky's at is going to tilt, so it's going to fly kind of like that, like a casual walk in the air, just like woo. And then it's going to carry the medical supplies down here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the Austin K1 concept sketch of the cargo drone challenge by Local Motors and Airbus. And I really like it. It's very nice and sexy. Very simple design. But yes, thank you for watching this video. I'm excited to be a part of this challenge and give you guys a real awesome 3D rendering and more of an explanation of what we have in this quick sketch over here at the Arts Center. And since you've watched this whole 7-minute and 22-second video, I'm going to treat you guys to some concept art over at the Arts Center. Thank you for watching, and please share and please like this video. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.